Hey, it is Patti Allred in North Carolina. I wanted to hop on here because I wanted to let you know that having a crazy lifestyle where it's just kind of like up in the air crazy all the time, I think is normal. What do you think? I've had grandkids in and out here all morning already, and it's not even noon here. And it's just been crazy, but you know what? It's all good. So what am I doing? I am actually working on a few things that are going to ramp up some of my incomes, my side hustles. I'm going to start doing videos once or twice a week and putting them on my YouTube channel and in my blog to share with you what I'm doing. If it sounds like something you want to do, you can reach out to me. If not, hey, it's okay, because it's not for everybody. And this it's not a schedule where I can every day do this, and this at the same time. And so if you're that kind of person, and if you have a family living around you or something, that's not how this is going to work. Scheduling is good for some things, but I can't. I have too many things pop up, and I want to be available for my family to do whatever needs to be done. I can get my other stuff done. Hey, after everybody goes to bed, I can sit up and do it, if that's what it takes. I'm working on my YouTube channel. I'm working on my Facebook group. I have an awesome Facebook group, and it's mostly women, and we are mostly online entrepreneurs, either full-time or part-time, or wanting to be. So I've got that, and I have my email marketing, which I love, and my affiliate marketing. I've got several different streams of income, and I would suggest that you do as well. Just find what it is you like and do it. I'm going to be popping on here, like I said, and giving you some more of the information that I'm doing. Because you know what? All the years that I've been hopping on here and giving information and telling you a few things, I've just come to realize that I'm just going to have to hop on here, crazy hair day, whatever, and just say, hey, look, isn't it a crazy freaking day here today? But I love it. I can still make money with crazy things going on, and so can you. You really can. Don't let not being able to have a schedule or not being able to have things set in stone stop you from moving forward with what it is you're trying to do with an online business. Don't let it stop you. Make it work for you. The best schedule is what works for you, not someone else's. It's you, and you can do it. I can help you if you'd like. Just reach out to me. Hey, we can do it together. No matter what you decide, make sure you choose happy. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.